Okay, Avery, these are the points we plotted. You'll remember we plotted them. We saw that it was an inverse relationship. And with Desmos, you have to tell it, what you think it is. So y1, which is, right here. And then as you know, the little squiggle symbol, right? And then ax1, right? Because that's what this is. And then a is, of course, the slope. And then we need not x, but the inverse of x. So what we need is 1 over x. And the way we're going to accomplish that is by saying not x squared, but we push the square button down here. And then we sort of back it up and put in a -1. Oh, look at that. So pretty. Just popped it right in there. And so if I'm remembering his questions correctly, he wants you to be able to say, as y goes down, decreases, right, x increases. And if you had actual variables on this axis, like if you had time to boil versus number of ice cubes or something, then in the place of y, you would put what the variable is, time to boil, and then the little squiggly, and then the slope, and then x to the -1. Now, I said under 2 minutes. So what this tells us is that the key to making this be a straight line is to plot y versus 1 over x. So when you see a curve like this, the word is inverse. I just showed you how you put in the equation. So it's y equals ax to the -1 or 1 over x. So if you were going to plot something to get a straight line, you would plot y versus x to the -1 or y versus 1 over x.